The new Vallox 125 MV makes the replacement of the old ventilation unit easy and simple. The different models of the unit can replace even more than 50 old ventilation unit models. It became popular in the 1980s to install mechanical ventilation with heat recovery in single-family houses. The ventilation unit is often on top of a boiler or similar. This means that there is not much room above the unit, which makes replacing it challenging. Vallox took this problem into account in the design of the new ventilation unit. The width and height of the Vallox 125 MV unit and the different duct outlets of the models enable easy and simple ventilation renovation. As the new unit fits directly in the place of the old one or requires only minor changes to the ducts, the replacement does not take much time, which also saves money. The once very popular models Muh Ilmava, Vallox Digit, Vallox Digit SE and Ilto 440 are examples of directly replaceable units. Altogether, there are dozens of units that can be replaced. All the replaceable units are listed on the Vallox website. A new ventilation unit may greatly improve the energy efficiency of your home, saving up to thousands of kilowatt hours of energy in a year, which is equivalent to hundreds of euros. If the service life of a unit is, say, 20 years, we are talking about a significant saving in money. In addition to energy efficiency, the new Vallox 125 includes all the features associated with modern ventilation, such as automatic heat recovery bypass and integrated humidity and carbon dioxide sensors, with which the unit automatically boosts ventilation during showering or sauna bathing. In addition, it enables remote control via a free cloud service. Energy refurbishment of ventilation has never been this easy. Replace your old unit with Vallox 125 MV and enjoy fresh indoor air and carefree ventilation.